In this video, we will show you how to update Microsoft Outlook. If in your Windows have classic Outlook like this, you can see, but using classic Outlook, we cannot schedule the email or message. Okay, just send button in there. To update, you can using first method with trying to toggle on this Outlook, and after that your Microsoft Outlook will try to updating. Then you can click switch. Okay, if this is violet, you can see, if this is violet, you can try to close your Microsoft Outlook because this is still classic. If you can see there, this is still classic. Okay, you can try to turn off or close your Microsoft Outlook and make sure your Windows Update is turned on. In here, I'm using Windows Update Blocker, and make sure our Windows Update is turned on. You can also see in the Windows Update. Okay, check for update here, and this is turned on. After that, select the Outlook Classic again. Okay, and try to toggle on again with new Outlook. Let's see this is work or not. If this not work, we will try using three methods. Now click switch again. You can see now you successfully sign in using the new Outlook. You need to input your password here. Then you can choose sign in. After that, you successfully sign in into your newest Outlook here. New tools to manage your inbox. Now you can see we already have the newest version of the Outlook, and you can also still using the classic ribbon if you want here. You can see when we click new mail, there is schedule message here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to update our Microsoft Outlook so to have the newest version. And hope this video helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.